So grill marks are kind of like this mystique thing. What is it about grill marks? And grill marks are visual, so they make people think, you know, hey, that looks good. But from a taste standpoint, grill marks are really the caramelization of the sugars from the foods that you're cooking, and that caramelization actually improves and enhances the flavor. Not only does that, it gives some crunch and some texture to your bite, so not everything has the same mouthfeel. So that really is appealing when you're eating. So you're getting different textures, different sweetness layers, different flavors, and that's really what grill marks are really about. It's about that caramelization of the meat. So really work on that, keep your grill clean so you can get plenty of great grill marks on there.